Hi guys, my name is Roger, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link your created songs with the MC-50 without loading them individually. So we are going to create a chain of all your created songs. Start up your system and then do the following: Shift Mode and choose now Disk Utility. Here you choose Restart and then select Super MRP. Now choose number 2 config. We're going to add your favorite songs. Here, this % is the size of the song, and this is the size of the internal memory of the MC-50. So we're going to add Daft Punk on 2. We do Fragile, and let's say, okay, Killer we do on 3. Margarita on 4. And then Thriller on 5, but look, Thriller takes 53% and we only have 47%, so it makes a total of almost 100. So yes, we're good to go. You see this sign? This is the sign of pause, but I want to have it continuous looped between the songs. So I do Shift Pause to remove that pause symbol. So let's say the first 3 are continuous and the last 3 I have to press play. So now we go to the play mode and now it's loading. It's loading all the songs in the internal memory. Now it's ready. If you now push play, the MC-50 starts playing all the songs without loading them individually. You can see it here. After measure 8, it will start automatically with song number 2. It keeps on playing, keeps on playing. I will show it that it also plays song number 3. Number 87 is the last measure of Fragile. And you will see that it will start playing Killer right away. I didn't remove the pause from Killer, so you will see that now Margarita has to be put on play manually. It can give you time to prepare something, whatever you want to do. Depends on your performance. And also here you will see that after Margarita, the last measure of Margarita, it will stop. And now song number 5 is also waiting to be played. So this is the way to have multiple songs played in one chain. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.